नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं कोशी वॉइस का पॉलिटिकल स्पॉटलाइट। आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे नेताओं की ताजा खबरें सीधे उनके जुबानी।
नमस्कार सर। सच तो ये है कि सर कि हमारा जो सुनामी आया था हम लोग का सब मेरा जो जमीन सब नुकसान हो गया। तो अभी प्रोजेक्ट भी बनने जा रहे हैं। हम लोग डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो गया सर। अभी हम लोग अपना बस्ती से सर विलेज से।
कितने लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे?
250 है सर। 250 टोटल है सर।
ये जो पूरी लैंड एक्वायर की जा रही है इसमें 250 लोग की जमीन जाएगी?
नहीं सर, more than 800 people sir, but tribals total. This is particularly vulnerable tribals.
Okay.
Baris and Shopin are the two main Negroid tribes in Nicobar.
तो आप मुझसे क्या चाहते हैं?
Sir, this is a disaster waiting to happen sir. So we want you to protect our interests and protest the
How?
project to happen sir.
So you want me to raise it in parliament? You want me to go there? What do you want me to do?
Sir, we want you to come to Andaman sir.
If you see yourself the condition,
Yeah.
you will know what we are
Okay.
actually
So I will come.
because you are actually going to represent the voice of the people over there,
Okay.
and we actually want your presence there and see what is happening.
Who are the beneficiaries of this project? ये प्राइवेट लोगों को जा रहा है या किसको जा रहा है?
Adani or Ambani sir. Adani will take over the project of ports and the solar power plant itself is a 3,000 crore project. The solar power plant only. And after that the networking and everything will go to Ambani.
ये सरकार आया है ना सर, ट्राइबल का जो कोटा है वो कम होते जा रहे हैं सर। तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी हम लोग कम मिल रहे हैं सर, स्पेशली एसटी वर्ग को बहुत कम।
अंडमान निकोबार में कितने ट्राइबल लोग हैं?
Population around 30,000 sir.
30,000.
But that is particularly vulnerable tribe are about 1,800 2,000.
Okay.
गलत तरीके से इनसे परमिशन ली गई थी बिकॉज ही इज द हेड ओवर देयर। तो ही रोट अ परमिशन फर्स्ट दे टोल्ड लाई टू हिम कि हम ऐसा करेंगे ऐसा करेंगे ऐसा करेंगे।
क्या बोला आपको उन्होंने?
तो आगे ये प्रोजेक्ट आप लोग के लिए फायदा हो जाएगा इसका सर। करके बोला सर हम लोग।
आप चीफ हैं वहाँ?
जी वहाँ
There
के
is
जी।
no election system in their tribal people sir.
और हम लोग जो है ना हम लोग का तो अपना लैंड नहीं जोड़ सकता।
Over there, you live like all together, and we do not have like proper calculation of the area, because my house can be here, and the second house of my uncle could be just 15 or 20 steps, walkable. So we do not have anything like, okay, this area is mine. And
Right.
So we have the entire land, and whosoever lives in that, entire land, they are the owner of that area. So whether it's plantation, mangroves, coconut, or any other irrigations and everything.
Without their consent, they have allotted 7 offshore mines around Great Nicobar and Andaman area to the corporates, and also they have converted 4 lakh square kilometer area that was earlier no-go zone. That has been diverted to special economic zone, easy.
You must be aware that Campbell Bay, where these guys are coming from, there is a place called Indira Point. It's the southernmost, which was named after your great grandmother. So you should actually do something for the people over there.
I can raise it in parliament, no problem. अगर मैं वहाँ आऊँगा, ये पहला कदम कि मैं वहाँ आ जाऊँ देखने के लिए।
Yes.
सर उम्मीद जग जाएगा सर। तो we can go there.
Andaman is sinking every year by inches. So maybe after 100 years, all these things is going to go waste. We are mainly more concerned of the other tribes who don't have the privileges to come.
Fast track the process sir. They have shifted a lot of the government servants to Nicobar area to do survey and all that. And then existing population around 4.5 lakhs is suffering for water, suffering for roads, suffering for education, suffering for medical facilities. This is not addressed. We have a budget of 6,047 crores per annum, which is a very good budget for our islands. But
It's not going to others.
Yes, visibly it is not.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद। आप देख रहे थे कोशी वॉइस, भारत की आवाज। ऐसी ही सच्ची और तेज खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और जुड़े रहें।